In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use parametric design in Fusion with a simple and practical example. Parametric design is one of the most powerful features inside Fusion because it allows you to control your entire model using variables. Instead of manually editing dimensions every time, you can change a single parameter and the whole design updates automatically. This is incredibly useful when you're prototyping parts, designing for manufacturing, or creating reusable models. By the end of this video, you'll understand how parameters work and how to build a model that updates instantly when values change. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Fusion and KiEd tutorials. Alright, let's jump right into Fusion and get started. First, we need to create parameters that will control our design. These parameters act like variables that store dimensions which we can reuse throughout the model. To do this, go to the top menu and click Modify, then select Change Parameters. This opens the Parameters window where we can define custom values. Inside this window, click User Parameter to create a new parameter. Now we'll add the values that will control our plate design. Create a parameter called plate_width and set the value to 120 millimeters. Next, create another parameter called plate_height and set it to 80 millimeters. After that, create a parameter called thickness and set it to 10 millimeters. Finally, create one more parameter called hole_diameter and set it to 10 millimeters as well. These four parameters will control the entire model we're about to build. Once all of them are created, click OK to confirm. Now we'll start using these parameters to create the model. Start a new sketch and draw a rectangle on the sketch plane. Instead of typing fixed numbers for the dimensions, we'll reference the parameters we just created. Add a dimension to the rectangle width, and instead of entering a number, type plate_width and press enter. Fusion now links that dimension directly to the parameter. Next, add a dimension to the rectangle height and type plate_height. This means if either parameter changes later, the rectangle will automatically update. Once both dimensions are applied, finish the sketch. Next, click Extrude and select the rectangle profile you just created. For the extrusion distance, instead of typing a number, type thickness and then click OK. Now the base of the part is created and its height is fully controlled by the thickness parameter. Next, we'll create a hole through the plate. Start a new sketch on the top face of the part and draw a circle at the center of the plate. Add a dimension to the circle and type hole_diameter. This links the hole size directly to the parameter we defined earlier. Finish the sketch once the dimension is applied. Now click Extrude again, select the circle profile and change the operation to cut. Set the direction to through and click OK. This cuts the hole all the way through the plate. At this point, the entire design is controlled by parameters. To test this, go back to Modify and click Change Parameters again. Find the parameter called plate_width and change the value from 120 millimeters to 200 millimeters. Click OK and you'll see the entire model update automatically. The plate becomes wider, while the hole and other features stay correctly defined. And that's the basic idea behind parametric design in Fusion. Once you start using parameters, your designs become much more flexible and easier to modify. If this video helped you understand parametric design, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Fusion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.